Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana tasks not assigned to team members. Many users see tasks unassigned and it can disrupt collaboration and workflow. First, check your permissions. You need edit access in the project. Without it, you can't assign tasks to others. Step 1, verify team membership. The member must be part of the workspace or project. Invite them if they're missing. Step 2, check the task details. Open the task and select the assignee field correctly. Leaving it blank keeps it unassigned. Step 3, refresh the workspace. Reload the page or app. This often fixes display issues. Step 4, clear browser cache and cookies. Old data can block updates. After clearing, log in again and assign the task. Step 5, try a different browser or Asana app. Browser-specific problems may prevent assigning. Switching isolates the issue. Step 6, check project automation. Some rules may override assignments. Review any workflows affecting tasks. Finally, contact Asana support if needed. Provide workspace and task details. Support can resolve account or server issues. So yeah, fixing unassigned tasks is about permissions, membership, task field, refresh, cache, browser/app, automation, and support. Follow these steps and your tasks will be properly assigned. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment if this helped. See you in the next